All right, this is a 1990 model S10 pickup truck with the Tech4. I think it's a 2.5 liter inline four. Crank no start. Turned out to be the ignition module, which is located right there inside the distributor. You got to pull the cap. This was a freebie. I did it for my neighbor because it wouldn't run, and he was not able to get it fixed. So I threw a coil on it, which is also located down here. Like right down there is the coil right there. Yep. And the coil didn't fix it, so we threw the ignition module on it, and well, I'll just let you guys hear it. Let's see here. Fires right up. So that was the problem. Ignition module was bad. Easy enough. Another one for the community.